is the largest co-working space operator in Indonesia. Today we operate over 31 locations across 4 cities within Indonesia itself. We have Jakarta, Medan, Yogyakarta, as well as Bali. Within our spaces, we host more than 9,000 members who come and work and live and eat and play in our space every day. Besides the co-working platform itself, we have 3 other platforms that are pretty interesting: the co-living, the co-retail, as well as event spaces. So most startup companies face 2 big problems. The first is the high cost of starting up a business. So this includes things like looking for an office, incorporating a company, as well as various expenses. And the second thing as well is typically in a startup life, whenever a startup faces issues or problems, they do not know who to ask and what solutions there are in the market today. So what Cohive provides is an integrated solution to both of these problems that they face. What we have done effectively is by sharing the spaces that we have within Cohive, we can effectively lower the cost of doing business. And the second thing is with our community of startup creators as well as our wider network, and to provide essentially a very nice environment and a very safe environment in which they can start and grow their business. So Hikvision was highly recommended by one of our investors, and we are very lucky to have met them on one of our business trips in China. Our CEO met with the Hikvision management, and Hikvision actually convinced us on having a fully integrated solution, especially for co-working operator like Cohive. Today we are the only operator within Southeast Asia that operates an entire building, and on top of that we have various guests who come in on a day-to-day basis. We have multiple events that we organize on a weekly basis. So the security solutions that we were looking for was something that's fully integrated, and we were very lucky to have met Hikvision. We are a co-working space operator, and community is front and center in terms of our business operation. So one of the big problems that we face every day is that we have many guests and event participants coming to attend our community events. And what we have realized over the past few years in operation is that we have long lines in terms of people coming in and out the building. So with Hikvision itself, we have automated gating clearance systems where the face is recognized and registered within our database itself. The point is we want to make all members registered without long waiting at the reception, convenient for management, and develop customer experience a lot. So we are very satisfied with the 3D real face detection that will highly secure our building, and Hikvision offers these 2 solutions: smarter internal management for all sites using minimum manpower that can save costs for human resources, and we can avoid the concerns about losing cards. This will greatly save the card budget, and we can also do it in a hands-free manner when we go into the buildings, because the facial recognition allows us to walk in seamlessly.